What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a super cool project. All right, before we get into it, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. So let's get straight into this and show you why you should get as excited as I am. Let's go. Here it is, guys. It's Honeyland, all right? Honey.land. Please use the link down below. Now, look at the graphics already. You can see with the word Honeyland, it's about bees, all right? They're flying around. This one's got a cowboy hat on. Really cool. Now, overview of the website. Please remember the links down below. Gameplay, play and own, white paper, team, shop, incubate, timeline, and buy at the top. We have the NFT assets here. We have the play and own, all right? Web3 games, single token. That's all part of the world's first rewarding Infiniverse, all right? That's where they call it, and you can join their Discord down here. So scrolling down, welcome to the Honeyverse. Now, what is it? It's a play and own game, all right? It is launching on Solana, all right? So we know that Honey is the first title from Hexagon Studio to fun play a AAA game, all right, with a seamless Web3 onboarding experience. I'm gonna let you watch the trailer right now. Let me see if I can get this big. I love these different bees with their different characteristics. This reminds me a bit of like Angry Birds world, but with bees, you see. Super cool. So they're in hexagons, all right? Here comes the enemy, these pests coming out for the bees. Oh, they burnt the worlds down. So now we're getting a bit of a picture of what's going on in Honeyland, all right? Wow, so they've actually gone to Honeyland, and it's an Infiniverse. Cardi B, I like that. Johnny B, I like the play on Cardi B, all right? We all know who she is. Do this. Right, so we've got queens in all different hexagons on the land, which is their hives. Guys, are you loving this? Let me know in the comments right now what you think of this. I am super impressed with the graphics on this and the storyline. Builder bees, adventure bees, warrior bees. We got worker bees, everything, every different kind. Oh, hello. This is some sort of wizard bee. I am super excited for this, guys, all right? I want to show you a little bit of the gameplay as well. So this is actual gameplay down here, all right? You can see this is the verse they were talking about, some of the monsters, clicking on, having a look at what the bees' attributes are. Moving through, we got the sharks coming out, all the different things. I'm just in love with how fun this looks. That's it. You can characterize it, choose it yourself, put your bees in, all right? I'm going to stop it there so I can talk to you a little bit more. I want to click the learn more button, all right? This is incredible. When you go to their white paper, it's the Honeyland white paper. Again, the links are going to be down below. You can actually watch the gameplay again and go through all the different bits, all right? I want to talk a little bit about the timeline, all right? So get your game on. Core Honeyverse activities is coming, all right? But you got harvesting, hunting, attacking, mating. I've already talked about being powered by Solana. It's fun and easy. And we have the NFT tokens, all right? We've got NFT assets, the HXD, which is their native token, inland purchases, and the staking rewards through their native token. Now, different ways you can earn. You can earn through missions, commissions, marketplace, and the Honeyverse. Click the learn button to know more. Again, this is a quick overview. I don't want to drain every second out of you. Please have a look and do your own research. Now to the timeline, like I mentioned, okay? Going all the way through Q4 2021 was the core team formed, all right? Alpha deck built, the tokenomics finalized. We moved through to January where the deck was integrated with artwork. Through Feb, all right, we've been zooming through, and then once we're into 2022, Feb 2022 is the seed round funded. The community building begins. Moving through to March, where the private round. I'm going to skip all the way to Q3 2022, where's the Honeyland NFT initial mint. This is the important one that I want you to have on your radar, right? Next year, Q3 is the Honeyland NFT mint. We saw what happened with Sandbox, and we saw what happened to Decentraland. Make sure you get yourself on that. If you want to catch all the updates, please click on their socials. If you want to research the team, you've got them here. You've got Corey Wright, Apori Visoni, Justin Barr, and Brendan Rafferty, all right? Please do your own research and have a look at them. You can have a look at the advisor hire as well and look at some of these names that we are partnered with. So get the latest dictates, get in their Discord, have a look. I'm going to show you quickly their Twitter. This is their Twitter. They got 15.5 thousand followers, all right? And they've only been around since November 21. It's at Honeyland GameFi. All right, you can see it there. And again, the links will be down below. So please give them a massive follow up here. And they have giveaways, they have hidden information, all the total supply information, everything you need on there, right? So visit their Twitter, let them know you're from this channel, George sent you, and get it hyped up. Guys, if you want to get in on that land before the mint that I mentioned, there is a guest list for it. You got to apply, right? Land mint is coming in September, like I said. All you got to do is connect your wallet, verify your Twitter profile, answer a few questions, and you can actually get in on this guest list. The links are down below for that as well. All right, the reason I keep pointing out the land is it actually produces passive income through bees paying to harvest and hunt on your land. All right, through staking rewards, live weekly airdrops, everything like that. And in October, they're actually going to open their beta to 5,000 people. So you can have a little bit of an early access to this, all right? I showed you the partners. They're backed by like Solana Ventures, stuff like that. You need to get involved in this. If you're not, you're going to miss out. All right, it's all fully doxed and great. Guys, what I want to do now is actually show you some posts on their Twitter, all right? I've already told you to follow them, but let's have a look. Let's just enlarge this. It's going to tell you about the land sale, so let's go.
Honeyland's upcoming land mint will give you the ability to own land inside of Honeyland that will allow you to passively earn their native honey token when the game launches in Q4 of this year.
Basically what I've said, guys, but more in detail.
Own games in the entire Solana ecosystem, so you will not want to miss this. They'll also have the ability to stake your land. And in staking your land, it will give you more discoverability in the game, which means more players will play on your land, which means it gives you the ability to actually earn more simply by staking your land. They're also saying that they're going to give you weekly airdrops when you're staking your land that will give you items that can be converted into actual NFTs that can be used or sold in the game. Lastly, we know that staking gives you the ability to actually level up your land as part of the metadata. So metadata will have a level for every land, which starts you at 0 and can get all the way to level 4. 3 things happen as you level up. Number 1, your land cosmetically changes. It gets way cooler looking. So you go from a normal base all the way up to like a diamond base as you get to level 4. It also gives you the ability to charge more to players who are using your lands in the game. So it gives you the ability to actually earn more.
Just what we've been saying, guys. Interesting.
Airdropping you weekly those items, they start airdropping you more and more items as you level up your land. So as you stake your land, you're actually making it more valuable because the metadata is actually changing. So you can actually control and increase the value of your land. So how do you get your hands on one of these lands? They've got 3 phases of minting coming up very, very soon. The first one's going to be pre-sale. This is a guaranteed mint. It's a transferable token that they're handing out. Unfortunately, almost all of these have been handed out, so the only way that you can get these is through secondary. They also have a whitelist, though. They are going to be doing a scholarship program very similar to what you did, where you can actually apply to get a whitelist based on the value that you bring to the community. If you are lucky enough to get one of these whitelists, it will be a non-transferable token and also a non-guaranteed mint. So you'll want to make sure you show up early, and you'll want to make sure you only fill that out if you actually want to mint, because you're not going to be able to sell the token. Lastly, after the success of their paper hands bitch insurance on their Genesis collection, which is now 75% above the mint price and has only 1% listed, they're doing a land lock guarantee, which means they're actually locking the funds they collect from the mint until they deliver that same amount of value back to the holders of their land. So they don't get paid until you get paid. This is sure to be one of the hottest mints on all of Solana this year. Do not miss it. Follow Honeyland GameFi on Twitter or get into their Discord.
Guys, that is exactly what we've been saying. This is going to be massive, right? There's one more tweet I want you to see, so stay tuned. Okay, guys, here's another one, all right? Go through their Twitter. I'm not going to play this whole video for you because this video will go on so long, but go on their Twitter. It's the same guy speaking. Very, very informative. Go on there. He's actually going to show you how they're creating real value. People keep asking, how much money can you actually earn? Depends what you think the future is going to be. He's going to tell you in here. So please go in here. This thread, it is all the way up, okay? It is getting so much interaction. It's crazy. It's from the 2nd of September. Again, please give him a big follow, even if you don't want to watch the video, and let him know you're from this channel. Guys, I am super excited about this. Let me know if you are, and let me know in the comments, all right? A few different ones, all right? Please do your own research on the land. Please get involved in that, all right? There's so many threads about this. Go to the bottom of the website, and you'll see the social links, okay? And you can actually go onto the calculator. So calculator.honey.land, and you can actually see how much you're going to earn. All right, obviously it depends what you think the price of the token will be in the future, but it can give you a prediction. So if you liked this, please let us know by hitting the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified of the next project. But Honeyland's a big thumbs up from me. Let's get involved, and I'll see you on the next video.